What's up, guys? Welcome to today's video on the BMW 90, another video on the BMW 90. So for those of you with a BMW 90, there is something that is maybe bothering you, maybe not, at least it's bothering me, and that's the fact that the instrument cluster doesn't have a temperature gauge. Let me show you. So as you can see here, it's everything very nice. Speed, revolutions, engine RPMs, fuel quantity, but instead of having here a nice temperature gauge or display, we have fuel consumption. How useful, huh? That's Germany for you. They only care about environment nowadays and stuff like that. So what we're gonna do, I have here a digital, one of those new fancy digital clusters, and I'll open the box in a minute. Let's see what's inside. And my main purpose with this is really that I would like to see the engine temperature at all times, because also a failure point on these cars is the water pump, and I want to make sure that the temperature or that the water pump is always working correctly. Okay, so let's see, what do we have here? Hopefully there's this instruction manual. Oh, by the way, it is irritating that we don't have oil and water temperature on the E90 instrument cluster. However, we do have oil level, and this stupid car only has an electronic dipstick. So I wonder if we will be able to see the oil level with this thing. So that's one. This is the only tool that we need, hopefully. So this should be an easy install, I hope. Yeah, I'll get this out of the box. And just like that, this is out of the box. It's funny here that it has a red cross on the QC pass. I hope it did pass the quality control check. Here's the plastic trim. So I'm gonna use the tool to start disassembling this. Should be pretty easy. Very well, so there's those two torque screws, and this pulls out, just pull it out directly straight towards you. And now there's this connector that I think everyone working with BMWs knows how this come out. There's this tab here, it needs to come down, and then the connector will come out. So that's it. This was a very easy plug and play modification. Now we can see coolant temperature, oil temperature, even real-time battery voltage. Fuel is there, everything. I just don't think I have, or we have, oil level, which is a bit of a problem. This is just the oil change, oil and oil filter change distance and stuff that we can set here if we want to. One brake, spare brake fluid, rear brake filter, I guess it's air filter, no idea what that is. But yeah, that's it. So I will for sure be looking into the manual and maybe trying to get in contact with support to see if they will, or if they are thinking about adding a way to check the oil level. So this is a bit of a catch-22. Either we have the coolant and oil temperature, or we have the ability to check the oil level, but that's not very nice, is it? So okay, yeah, I'll try to check manual and see if I still have some information, and then I will update. Okay, never mind what I said. I actually found on the settings, you need to go to the advanced settings, which is a bit misleading, because actually when you are looking for this on the menu, it's the factory settings, and there's the oil scale, and you can turn the oil scale on. Wow, I'm very happy. So now this has, as far as I can tell, all the functionality I need, so I can store the original cluster somewhere at home just in case I ever need to put it back in. And yeah, now I have absolutely everything I need, and I can easily recommend this digital cluster. I will try it for some time, and if something happens, I can change the description of the video or whatever. But yeah, there you go, digital cluster, very nice. Take care, have a nice day.